This is going to be a video product review of the TKTK white noise sound machine. I'm going to go over some of the features of the machine. Here's the machine. It comes with a charging USB cable and it comes with an instruction pamphlet. The TKTK sound machine comes with 36 soothing sounds. It comes with 36 levels of volume control. It has a nightlight feature. It will run for 20 hours on the battery power after you charge it with the USB cable. We have some switches over here. We have a power switch. We have a volume switch for up and down. We have a category switch. Once you set one of 6 choices of sounds, you can use this button over here to switch between the 6 sounds under each category. There's the power switch. On the back over here, we have a power jack, we have a headphone jack, we have a switch to play this for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or unlimited time. And on the top, we also have a brightness control and a nightlight. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that. It will take you directly to Amazon so that you can order this. We have multiple sounds with this machine. Fan sounds, natural sounds, white noise sounds, ocean scenes, different tones, different frequencies, rain, running water, thunderstorms, hypnotic sounds with different pitches and frequency. So let's turn this on and see what it sounds like. We can press the power switch. We have different levels of volume. Hold down the negative, hold down the positive. It will change the sound level. I am going to go through the 36 different sounds at a rather rapid pace here so we can get through all of them in a short time. So we've got that, and we can go through the different categories. Now we're going to switch the category. We have the surf sounds. Rain sounds. It's beautiful, very relaxing. This would be perfect for an adult or a baby. Very soothing so that it will help you fall asleep or block out sounds. Let's go to the next category. Surf. So the nice thing about this machine is, unlike the other machines that are on the market today, these are very natural sounds. These sound like the real sounds. These are not electronically made sounds that are very fake and unrealistic. Let's check out the nightlight. One feature that you will notice on the top is that when we switch the category, the light will switch over to the next group. And then when we press the top, and if we hold it down, we can increase the brightness or darken it. This is the TKTK white noise sound machine, available by clicking the link in the video description. Order this today.